Hi friends, myself Pravinar, BE Mechanical third year. Now we are seeing about uh, selective laser sintering SLS technology. First one is abstract. Selective laser sintering SLS is an additive manufacturing technology. Main power source is laser. Laser is sintering to the powder material. Selective laser sintering technology is similar to the selective laser melting technology. It is these are similar technology, but it is differ in technical details. Additive manufacturing technology, selective laser sintering is improve the production rate. Next we are seeing working of SLS, selective laser sintering. This is a diagrammatic working representation of SLS technology. These are the parts of SLS technology: laser, roller, scanner system, powder bed, powder delivery system, and fabrication piston. These also working system of SLS technology. SLS technology is used in these materials: polyamides, polystyrene, thermoplastic elastomer, polyaryl ether ketones, semicrystalline thermoplastic, polycarbonate, amorphous polymers. These are the materials are used in SLS technology. These are the parts in SLS technology. First part is laser. The powerful laser is used to melting the powder material. Scanning system, the laser is directly to the desired location and trace the geometry. Next one is build chamber. Build chamber have a powder material. Another part is powder delivery system. This is powder delivery system is responsible for transporting and delivering the powder on each of the layer. Powder material, commonly used nylon PA12 is used in powder material. Roller or leveler. And another last part is roller or leveler. Roller or leveler is used to used in powder material in all layer evenly to the top to bottom. Spread the powder in evenly is used in roller or leveler. Next slide is application of SLS technology. Prototypes are made by SLS technology. For example, investment casting patents, automotive hardware, wind tunnel models. These are made by SLS technology. SLS technology is used in aerospace, military, medical and electronical hardwares. On the shop floor, SLS can be used in rapid manufacturing technology. Rapid manufacturing of tooling, jigs and fixtures are use this technology. Next slide is advantages of SLS technology. SLS technology have good chemical resistance, high strength. These products are high strength and stiffness. The SLS technology made the product have good characteristics of durability and functionality. SLS technology is a fastest additive manufacturing process. SLS technology have various finishing possibilities. Disadvantage of SLS technology is SLS technology is not suitable for kynocoirolate. Disadvantage of SLS technology: SLS technology is not suitable for kynocoirolate coating. These are some products, 3D models of 3D models using made by SLS technology. These products are more accuracy and good surface finish. And these products are more complex, but it is used in it's simply made by SLS technology. Next slide is conclusion of SLS technology. SLS technology have more accuracy and longevity and durability, so it is used in medical field. Nowadays medical fields are used SLS technology. SLS technology is fastest process, so time consuming is very low. Using the physical prototype, so errors are detected errors yearly and correct them before. SLS is more flexible process, so it is a more flexible process, so it is used in various industrial applications. This is the reference of my presentation. Thank you so much for listening my presentation.